What's going on, guys? So I'm actually heading out to go to Nima's garage right now. I'm just cleaning up my garage a little bit and gonna cruise up to Nima's garage. It is an hour and 40-minute drive, so it shouldn't be too bad. I'm gonna drive up 30 minutes, meet up with Juan and I think maybe Carlos, I'm not too sure, and then we are gonna head out. So right now I'm just gonna warm up the car. Our brother's gonna pull out and we should be heading out to Nima's garage now. And I am picking up my red bumper, so you guys that are OG subscribers will know what bumper I bought. If you guys don't know, then watch this video. Just waiting for Juan now. I'm actually at the spot that we normally meet up at. And I think the only thing, I need to get a boot over this, or like a sticky heel, like shift to play or something, because all the heat's coming in when I'm driving. But luckily it's nice out in San Diego, so yeah. So from here is like an hour and I think 10-minute drive, or an hour and 20 minutes. I forgot. But it's waiting for Juan. He said he forgot his SD card, so he's on the bus there. And yeah, I'm shooting on my little camera today because it's more portable, you know. But I did bring my big camera, so yeah. Now I'm just waiting for Juan. Juan has arrived, but he's late. Always late, man. Said he forgot his SD card. What the fuck, where'd he go? Look at this dude. Came late, is getting gas. Why you gotta be like that, huh? I see your brother in there. What's up, George? Oh man, this camera has hella zoom, but it's too slow. Heading out right now, Juan's behind me. Got a while to go, so yeah, just enjoy this. Well, probably when I get there. So we made it up to Nima's garage. Well, Nima's garage is like a minute down the street. I was waiting for Asko to come. I guess he didn't want to be scared and pull up by himself. Yeah, there's like 2 car accidents and shit on the way here, but 3 accidents, I mean. Yes, we do drive our cars. I feel like, you don't drive your car. Yes, I do. I just don't film it because I'm driving the car, you know what I'm saying? God damn, it's in the box. Is this my bumper? Oh, this is my bumper. Real bumper. Damn! Is he expecting me to grab the whole freaking box in my car? Hi, Asko. This guy is known as Asshole Images.
Asshole Images?
Yeah, Asshole Images in mine.
Who's that?
It's you.
Oh.
Damn. 50-70. No, we're leaving right now. We don't want to even be here.
Fuck, dude, I'm trying to take some pictures.
Not the whole bed and the side is shit.
Yeah, but if the chalk wasn't on the trailer, it would have been probably worse. But like, I never put the chalk on the trailer, so I was like, what the fuck?
And I've never seen John mad, so I bet he was pretty mad.
No, I wasn't mad.
He's sad.
He was pissed.
Sad boys. It's sad boys. Damn. That sucks, huh?
I'd been pissed. But now, like, I'm already over it. You should see it.
Well, yeah, now.
I just fuck.
Look how dirty it is. You don't even
look
give
at
a fuck
my-
anymore.
It just rains.
Go look at my right lip on my rear wheel.
I can see it from here,
I
man.
did one scratch, and after that, I was like, I'm fucking scared anymore. So I just fucking eat it up.
Oh, look. Look at this. Damn, this fool curbed it. Look, and then he got mad and he socked his car. Oh, what happened? You guys remember this car? I'll throw in the throwback clip. Yeah, the Stance Life. Dude, this is a nice color though. This car's for sale.
What's that?
Soon to be. Bone stock.
Y'all should have seen Tommy a little while ago. He had a poop and he was pissed. Now he's happy again. Look at him. Huh? Huh? What the fuck?
I actually want some coffee now.
Tommy? Me too. Wait, yeah. Tommy was up on her earlier because he had a poop. And have you seen the flaws in your car?
Yeah, there's a lot.
Show the people, Tommy. Show them. Show them your roof, Tommy.
No pictures are from up.
Yeah, I know. Subscribers, ask Tommy about that many roof pictures.
He's just gonna edit your shit out.
No, this camera can't even capture that far.
Oh no?
No. Damn, look how good this shit looks in bronze.
Oh, look at that pen though.
No, I didn't even point it out. I just left it.
Oh, is it? Yeah. No wonder.
My brother test fitted on the CTR headlights. It doesn't look good on his car because I think the car is white. That's why, so you see more compared to my car. My car has a darker color to it, so it blends in a lot better. It's cool though.
It's alright.
Nah, not on white cars. But for some reason, on like the white, like champ white hatches where these headlights come from, looks really well with them. I think because it's a four-door or his white too. And then compare. Oh, here's the bumper too. We're gonna be test fitting it. I'm gonna be test fitting it probably in the next video, most likely. And yeah, compared to my car, you don't really notice it as much as his car because I think his car is white. On here, it just blends right in because the car is a little more darker color paint. Yeah, so I picked up a C West rear bumper. And it is their new stuff, PFRP, so it's poly fiberglass reinforced plastic. So it's exactly like those, so it's all PFRP. They're a lot more flexible and everything. And what I'm planning on doing is actually getting the bumper and the rear bumper painted. And then this all needs to get sanded out, I think, because when they took it off the mold. So yeah, but really cool. Gonna be test fitting this in the next video, so stay tuned for that, guys. And I'm gonna put everything else on, the wing, get the bumper, the side skirts, and that. So that's it, guys. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Don't listen to others, just keep building. Stay tuned for all the next upcoming videos, and hope you guys like these kind of daily uploads, even though it's like every 2 days or every other day. So yeah, peace out, guys, and have a great day.